Hello Python programmers, this is AK. In this video we are going to learn about how to create your own typing speed tester program using Python. Before starting this program you must have strong basics knowledge of Python programming. So this program is super simple one and it produces more accurate results. Okay, for this program you don't need to install any Python packages. I'm using the built-in packages to create this program, so don't worry about the package installations. Before starting this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. These things will motivate me to produce more good content in Python programming. Okay, so let's start this video. For checking the typing speed of yours, you have to type some words to generate your results. For that process, create a variable called string, and in this variable you have to type some sentences. Why we are creating this variable means, for checking your typing speed, you need to type some sentences. According to that typing performances, the results are generated. So this is our process, and you need to type this sentence in the output screen to check your typing accuracy, words per minute and time taken. Okay, so these three parameters are very important. We are going to find out these three parameters of your typing skill. And next, create a variable called word count, and in this variable you need to print the length of the sentence that you are going to type. Previously we declared a variable called string as a sentence. For counting each word on the sentence, you need to split the variable string. Okay, in Python there is one useful method called split. Using this split, we can easily split the string into the list form. Using the length method, we can easily find out the length of each string after splitting the sentences. Okay, so next step is very important. Next step, we need to create a loop, and in this loop we are going to calculate the time taken to type the sentence. After that, you need to create a variable called input text. When you run the script, you are going to type the entire sentence in this variable. When you are typing this sentence, this program analyzes your all typing speed, accuracy, words per minute to type the sentence. So these are the parameters we are going to calculate under this while loop. First, we are going to calculate the typing speed. For calculating the typing speed, you need to find the difference between the starting time and the ending time of your typing. Create a variable called t0 and pass the object time. So this variable is used to record the starting time, and next you have to create another variable called t1. Now consider this t1 variable as an ending time. Okay, when subtracting these two variable timings, we get the time taken to type the entire word. So we cleared the first parameter. Next, create a variable called accuracy. Here we are going to find out the accuracy of your typing. Suppose when you are missing some words in the actual sentences, then your accuracy will get low. So in this variable you need to use the set method to find out the uniqueness in both sentences. So here we are calling the set of input text that we are going to type, and also we are calling the another set, that is the set of actual string. If you miss any words in the input text variable, your length of the word is going to decrease. When your length of the sentence that decreases, your accuracy also decreases. So this is the concept that I implemented. I think you will understand this step. And in this accuracy variable, you need to make the formula as accuracy that is divided by word count. So this is the formula to find out the accuracy of your typing. Okay. So in the case of words per minute, that is the word count is divided by the time taken. This formula is used to produce the WPM result of your typing. Okay, and finally print all the statements, and that's all about this program. Let's run this program. So you can see that our program works perfectly. And that's all about this video. If you like this video, give a like and subscribe and share for more interesting scripts in Python. Thanks for watching and thank you. See you on next video.